Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Digit for monthly budgeting. Using Digit for monthly budgeting helps you to manage your expenses and savings more efficiently. Start by linking your bank account to Digit so that you can analyze your income and spending patterns. And then you're going to set your monthly budget goals by deciding how much you want to allocate for essentials, that's essentials, for savings, and for discretionary spendings. Digit automatically calculates a safe to spend amount after factoring in, of course, bills, upcoming expenses, and your savings goals. You can check your budget progress anytime in the app dashboard, which breaks down your spendings and savings by category. To stay on track, just set up alerts to notify you if you're nearing your budget limits or if Digit moves money into savings. Using Digit for monthly budgeting helps you to control your finances effortlessly by giving you a clear insight and automating savings. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button for more tips on mastering Digits. Like the video and be sure to ring that notification bell so you never miss another update in the future. Catch you guys in the next one.